Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's phrase is it's okay. Now, we use this phrase a lot, but it can sound a little too casual or dismissive, especially when you're trying to sound polite or understanding. Let's upgrade it. Instead of saying it's okay, try these. No worries, I understand.
Yeah, no worries. I totally understand.
Don't worry, I understand.
Don't worry about it, it happens.
Don't worry about it, it happens.
Stuff happens. Don't worry about it.
Or, that's all right, no problem at all.
No problem. No problem at all. No problem at all.
If you want to sound even friendlier, try, it's totally fine, really.
It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine.
It's totally fine.
Or all good, no stress.
I'm good. Don't stress.
No. All good.
These alternatives make you sound more approachable and understanding, and they show you're being supportive instead of just brushing things off. These phrases are great for showing empathy and keeping the conversation positive, perfect for both professional and casual situations. If you found this tip helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out the other videos in the Don't Say series for more tips to help you speak English with confidence. Until next time, don't just say it's okay, be more expressive. See you in the next one.